Have you ever wondered if the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 can really revolutionize your listening experience? Stick around as we dive deep into this intriguing question. Hey everyone, it's Brian from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're taking a closer look at the new Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Are they worth your money? Let's find out. The design of the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 focuses on comfort. They are lightweight and come with a secure fit thanks to the innovative twist-to-adjust stabilizer. You can easily customize them for all-day wear or a more secure fit during workouts. One of the standout features is the active noise cancellation powered by Google's first Tensor chip. This chip doubles the noise cancellation capabilities, ensuring immersive sound quality. However, it's important to note that it may take a minute for the earbuds to completely activate noise cancellation. With conversation detection, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 pause your music and switch to transparency mode as soon as you start talking. This means you never have to take them out, which is a huge convenience. Equipped with large 11mm drivers, these earbuds deliver powerful bass and crisp treble. The audio output is impressive, making them a joy to use with any type of music, but some users have reported that the bass can sometimes feel overpowering. The battery life is another highlight, with up to 11 hours of use on a single charge. You can enjoy your music without frequent interruptions. That said, heavy users of active noise cancellation may find battery life decreases more rapidly. So, should you buy the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2? While they offer remarkable comfort and sound quality with innovative features, they also come with a few trade-offs. If you value excellent noise cancellation and seamless conversation detection, these earbuds could be a great fit for you. Check the link in the description below for the best prices and deals.